Well, the coronavirus has already had an impact on the global transport industry. Kenya has suspended flights to and from Italy. On the ground, the public transport sector is set to take preventive measures to control the spread of the virus. Helen Aura is on the streets of Nairobi with more. Helen?
Zainab, I'm at Kencom stage and we're here just to find out if the transport sector has indeed taken any safety measures to prevent the spread of the virus. And earlier today, Health CS Mutahi Kagwe had issued a directive stating that the public transport ought to have taken preventive measures to ensure that this virus is contained and it will not spread. But as you can see at Kencom, it's business as usual. Passengers are just boarding the buses, going to their respective places. And one thing that we have actually noticed that passengers are doing, the handles for the buses, people are just coming on board and touching the handles, not caring about if there could be any dirt on the handles, or if it could be a way also that the virus could be transferable to them. The other also measure that we've seen is that the buses inside also do not have sanitizers yet in place, so that people can be able to sanitize their hands as they're getting in and as they're coming off the buses. And I'm joined by Betty, she's called Betty Masitsa. She's a conductor in the transport business in the Double M. Betty, as a conductor in this business, can you kindly tell us what are some of the preventive measures that you're going to take to ensure that you're going to be safe and prevented?
My name is Betty Gentrix Masitsa. I'm a conductor at Double M Connection. First of all, we should be trained. What is coronavirus? We don't know what. Most of us don't know what is coronavirus. So one, let me use Kiswahili. Kwa mfano, utapata watu kutoka labda mashinani, ama hata hapa Nairobi ni mashinani bado. Utapata kuna mtu hayuko educated about coronavirus. Hatuwezi sema tunataka prevention na tujui tuna prevent nini. Transport sector, like here, unaona vile tuko busy. Unaona vile magari watu wanaingia, wanasukumana, wanashika hizo chuma. Na hapa nyuma ikitokea tuliambiwa inakuja through sneezing, coughing, touching. Wanasema hiyo virus haikufi haraka. So one, serikali ndio inaweza tusaidia. Sababu for example sisi conductors na drivers hatujui tunaweza jikinga namna gani. Kitu kama sanitizers. Naona hoteli kubwa kubwa kama Hilton, Sarova ziko na hizo sanitizers. Serikali tunaweza jisaidia aje kwa hizi magari ndani? Sanitizers tutaziweka wapi? Kuna hizi, nimekuwa Kenyatta saa hizi, nimeona nurses wengi wameka inaitwa masks. Sisi tutatumia masks namna gani? Na masks nimeona nyingi ni white. How can we hizo white masks tunaweza zichukua sisi conductors mostly? Ukiangalia hizi mikono zangu, they are 24/7 30. Wanasema we keep off kushika hizi pesa tunashika. I think tunaweza pata through pesa. So serikali ndio inaweza tujibu hiyo. Juu sasa sisi hatujui. One, define for us what is coronavirus. Two, how does it spread? So maybe naweza kuwa niko nayo saizi, we are talking, ama uko nayo, we are talking, then inakuwa pamoja. So serikali tusaidie. Hizi pesa wanaweza tutengea kiasi, tuone tunafanya nini. So Mungu atuonekanie, especially conductors na drivers. Juu utaniambia mimi nitachukua mask nipatie driver vae mask, ama mimi saa ile nalipisha gari nafanya kazi kuanzia saa 11 mpaka saa 2 usiku ama saa 1 usiku. Surely kanayo a white mask niko tu nayo, nimekaa nayo. Should I use gloves? Na hizo gloves nani atatupatia? So serikali please tusaidie. Asante
sana. Well, Zainab, there you have it. And the other key concern that we're getting from many Kenyans is that they actually are not fully aware of how this virus is transferred, and even when it comes to the age bracket. The other thing also, we've interacted with passengers who are boarding these vehicles, and some of them are not even aware that the first case of coronavirus has actually been confirmed in the country. Back to you, studio.